Welcome. This is going to be an interesting project. I have decided that I want to change the garage. I want to make it, I want to spruce it, I want to spice it up, I want to make it nice. And to do that, what I'm going to have to do is quite a few things. Now, there's a lot of stuff in here that really needs to be spiced up in order to make it nicer. For example, there's this weird half like laminate flooring, which I need to ask about because it does just actually come up, which would be nice. We've got this weird chandelier, which we can just kind of unscrew and hide. That might be a nice idea. And the walls, which I want to make white. There's a lot of things I want to do, especially cleaning up. And the reason for that, well, I want to start putting my cars in here a lot more. And also, I want to end up having 2 cars in here and a few outside. And okay, let's say the X5 outside, but at least 2 cars in here and a little bit of room to kind of walk around and get in them and no problem. You have the tape measure. I want you to measure the wall on your own.
By myself.
See if you can do it. But no, so what we're thinking to do with the walls is kind of have like maybe wood panels or some kind of plastic paneling, something. In this pile of exhausts, we have my Lexus exhaust, which is, I need to figure out which it is, it's all bagged up and stuff, but one of them is an RS4 exhaust, one of them is a Lexus exhaust. I don't need both, I don't have the RS4 anymore. The project for today is to basically go to one of the home stores. I have no idea about wood or anything, so I'm taking measurements, I'm going to the store, one of the home improvement stores, whatever, and we're gonna find out what I bloody need. On the way, oh, I found my sunglasses. Well, I didn't.
I found them.
Meadow found the sunglasses. We're on our way to B&Q, which is like a home improvement store. What's the equivalent in the US?
I think it's gonna be like Lowe's. I've not been to one, but I think it's gonna be like Lowe's or Home Depot.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay,
I think.
So we're gonna go to one of those. Update: we don't actually have to use the paneling. We can actually paint, which is rather nice. The landlords have let us do that, so we're gonna paint instead because it's gonna be a hell of a lot easier. And if we go with a white, it's like a gloss white, it's easy to clean as well, so. There's some kind of, it looks like an accident, I can't quite tell, and I've zoomed in as far as possible. Not very nice. That always terrifies me when I see accidents. By being an idiot, probably. Fail. I forgot my wallet, which means we have to go back and then come back because I don't support contactless. I did ask. Well, that's okay because we haven't decided on what we're using, what paint, that sort of stuff. So let's drive home. Oh, nice BMW. Parked in the corner because, you know, people are horrible. I did the same, like on the complete opposite end. B&Q. Alright, let's go. I wish everywhere supported contactless because I've had to drive all the way back just to get bloody this. Ridiculous. I shouldn't have forgotten in the first place, to be fair. You're probably wondering why I'm not using the X5 and I'm using this. I was going to switch it while we're here, but then I remembered fuel, so I can't be bothered.
Right.
It's time for another edition of Practical RCF. We're going to see if this long stick is going to fit in the car. It's fine if not, we can snap it in half, but we're going to see if it fits. Now, as you may not know, the RCF only has this little stupid extender thing. The seats don't fold down. I found that out the hard way going to IKEA. Why they couldn't just let us sort of fold the seats down, I don't bloody know, but there we go, there's a hole. Is it going to fit? We should be okay. We're in. Brilliant, perfect. I don't need the X5 today. We got a bit more than we expected, but better safe than sorry, right? Many hours later, like a couple of hours, it just, because it gets dark so early, it makes it seem like it's progressing much so faster. Anyway, so we're going to start cleaning this up, and then we're going to get straight to painting it, really, and bringing up this floor as well. So I decided, because we've cleared out this basically brush this wall, clean it out. I'm going to paint this side first, and then pick up the flooring. It makes sense because I'm going to have to lay anything down on this floor. So let's do that, I guess. Progress so far. This is the first coat on this wall, and Meadow is absolute god with the corner tool. As you can see, pretty nice. All right, so this, as I said, first coat. We decided the bottom bricks we should keep as is, and also the middle concrete pillars. You'll probably say the same too. Have a nice little contrast, and even like this, I think it looks pretty cool compared to what it did look like. It's really nice. Also, quickly thought. We should use the wheels, we have many, to get to the top. It's not a bad idea. Okay, it's story time. So the reason I did this, I was bored, and I don't mean bored in a normal general way. I was just like, oh, I didn't have anything to do. It was more doing the same day in, day out. There's all the things I want to do, but based on other people's opinions, I don't do it. But there's a lot of stuff, a lot of what people think effects on what we do and stuff, and I wanted to kind of just today be like, whatever, I'm gonna give it a go, I'm gonna do what I want to do, I'm gonna take the day off, if you will. I'm still filming, but I'm bored with doing the same exact thing, and when I want to branch out, I have this big idea. I'm like, will it do well? Probably not. I'm not gonna do it. And I fall into this a lot of YouTubers fall into this because obviously we want to do the best, we want to give people the videos that they want to see the most, but I think I should now step astray a little bit and do things that I think I would quite like to do. For example, the Switch video that I did, I thought I was on a very different vibe, and a lot of people really enjoyed it, so that was one of the lucky ones, but I think I need to do more of that and test the waters and see what people think. No, this is not me saying, oh, I'm never doing gaming videos again, but a lot of the time when I have a lot of ideas, or I'm just doing similar things over and over again, it gets boring and repetitive, and I want to do something new, and that's the good thing about YouTube, I guess. I should make use of the ability that I can do that with my job. Saying all this, and all you did is paint a wall. It's part of a bigger picture. I want to sort this garage out, and usually I'm afraid to ask people if I can do things. I'm afraid to vlog in public. I'm afraid of a lot of things. So today I've accomplished a lot personally, and I'm going to continue to do so. This is, again, one of the many projects I want to do. It's kind of a cheap project. I'm just painting some bloody walls and cleaning up the garage. Like I said to myself that I wanted to do for a while. Alright, I'm alright, no problems. It's just more, I need to push myself a little bit more. So if you're bored and you're stuck doing the same thing day in, day out, well, change something. Do something a little bit different. Try something out of your comfort zone. Rush into something that you haven't done before. And I think that's my kind of idea behind this, and this is why today I did something different. Opposed to sitting at home and recording a load of games, I just wanted to do something with other stuff. Anyway, I hope that you didn't get turned off or put off by this very strange kind of little ranty thing at the end, but if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash like. Let me know if you want to see more of this. I am going to definitely be finishing this and recording finishing this and updating you guys on how it's getting on and stuff, because I'm pretty sure you guys want to see this, because there is a reason as to why I'm souping up this garage a little bit, or cleaning it up. because I'm going to make more use of it. I realised that I missed kind of half the point there, so finishing off here. The particular reason of me saying I was bored was more so me doing the same thing, and sometimes I need a bit of a break, and by a break I mean not just a day of doing nothing, a day of maybe not editing or not sitting in the office sweating, recording 40 degrees, alright, 30 usually. This particular day, at the beginning of the day, I wasn't really feeling to it, and what I decided to do is sit down and watch a TV show on my own, which I don't normally do, honestly. Normally been watching with Meadow for a while. I watched West Coast Customs, and I know this is going to sound absolutely dumb. They were moving shop. It was the one where they moved from Corona to back to LA, and I was inspired by it. It was pretty cool, and I thought, you know what, that's something I can do to cheer me up, and I started getting into this project, and then it kind of got wrapped up in time, and part of the reason as why I didn't upload, I wanted to keep doing it. So again, it's the thing of doing the same, and now I was breaking out of that, and sometimes you just kind of need to do that, or have a day off, as you will. I hope I explained that well. I probably didn't. I also realised I didn't really show you the current result of the wall, but I've gone in between everything here. It looks pretty sweet, even if I did do it myself and I'm complimenting my own work. This is the first coat. This one we've kind of done. We haven't properly started it yet. We've got to take these off and then we can paint this properly. So we're going to leave this as is for now. Be sure to smash the like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.